Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.
Hey everyone, here's the question for this video. Find the area of the yellow circles. Pause this video if you want to answer this question first. Now, let's answer this question together. First, let's find the diagonal of the rectangle. Using Pythagorean theorem, we found that this diagonal length is 5, which is also the radius of this quarter circle. Now, let's create a line that is also the radius of this quarter circle, which intersects the center of the yellow circle. After that, create a line showing the radius of the yellow circle. From this new line, we form a right angle triangle, where after putting several pieces we have known currently, we found that the height of this triangle is r, base of this triangle is 3 plus r, and the hypotenuse of this triangle is 5 minus r. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we found that 5 minus r squared is equal to r squared plus 3 plus r squared. Now, we continue to work out this equation until we finally get a quadratic equation. Then, we will use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation of r squared plus 16r minus 16 equal to 0. We finally got that the radius of the yellow circle is equal to negative 8 minus 4 root of 5, or negative 8 plus 4 root of 5. And working this out, we got that r is equal to negative 16.9, or r is equal to 0.94. We have found that the radius of the yellow circle is either negative 16.9 or 0.94. However, we know that the radius cannot be negative, hence the radius can only be 0.94. Finally, we calculate the area of this yellow circle by pi times 0.94 squared. Hence, we finally got that the area of this yellow circle is equal to 2.8012 cm squared. Thank you for watching this video.
Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.